Hi friends, welcome to the quiz teacher. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers and letters within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Super quiz challenge, quiz number 1, find 20. Challenge your eyes. Can you complete the all quiz challenge easy level? Come on, master. Time is over. Perfect. Quiz number 1, easily find. Quiz number 3, find 03 within given time. Come on, legend. The time is over. Oh, quiz number 2, quickly find. Next quiz number 3, find the letter CM. Time is up. Amazing, letter is find. Next page, quiz number 4, find 40. The time is over. Wow, you are fast, eyes. Come on, genius. Next level, quiz number 5, find 50. The time is over. Amazing, very easily find. Quiz number 6, find 92 within given time. Come on, legend. Time is over. Wow, that's great. Perfect. Quiz number 7, find 93. Come on, legend. Can you complete the all quiz challenge? Time finish. Wow, quiz number 7, quickly find. Next quiz number 8, find at S. Come on, my viewers. Time finish. Amazing, very easily find. Quiz number 9, find 64. Time finish. Wow, you are focus master. Final quiz, come on, legend. Quiz number 10, easy level. Time finish. Wow, that's great. Final quiz, easily find. Next, medium level start. Quiz number 1, medium level, find 328. Come on, legend, can you complete the medium level? is over. Wow, first medium level easily find. Next quiz, quiz number 2, find 595 within given time. The time is over. Red, perfect, right answer. Quiz number 3, find the letter PSA. Time is over. Wow, letter is find medium level. Quiz number 4, are you focus master? Time is over. Wow, you are focus master. Test your first eyes, quiz number 5. Time finish. Great, you are first eyes. Next quiz, quiz number 6, are you genius? Time finish. Wow, you are genius. Next quiz, quiz number 7, find 381. The time is over. Wow, you are focus master. Quiz number 8. Time finish. Great, quiz number 8 easily find. Next quiz, quiz number 9. Time is over. Wow, you are focus master. Next page, quiz number 10, final quiz, medium level. The time is over. Wow, final quiz, medium level, easily find. Hard level, come on legend. First quiz, hard level. My viewer is very genius. Come on, genius. Can you complete the hard level? Time finish. Well done. You are genius. Easily find. Are you focus master? Quiz number 2. Time is over. Wow, quiz number 2, hard level, quickly find. Next quiz, quiz number 3. The time is over. Amazing, right answer. Quiz number 4. Quiz number 5. Quiz number 6. Quiz number 7. Quiz number 8. Quiz number 9. Final quiz, hard level, quiz number 10. Come on, legend. Wow, are you genius? Final quiz easily find. Do not forget to share your score in the comment box.